Mario. Hello, I'm Luigi. And I'm Joseph, and I created Bowser's Big Green Castle made of K'NEX. It took me 6 months, and it took over 11,000 pieces. It has some towers with spikes on top of them, a door with Rock Bowser's head on top of it, which is on a wall, with windows. Some towers also have spikes. And now it's time for Mario and Luigi to face their first challenge. Oh, Joseph, what is it? Please tell us. He'll come out in 3, 2, 1. Arr! I'm Mini Bowser. Because I accidentally ate up a mini mushroom. See you later, you suckers! Ha!